Guys, today I am going to tell you how to make money from online because everybody want to make money from online but we don't know how. But here I am going to tell you can make money from YouTube. If you think, okay, if I get money from YouTube, I want to make video, so I want to show my face or voice also. But here I am going to tell, don't want to show your face, voice, anything, but you can get more views and monies also from YouTube. So you know the way everyone want to listen English stories or romantic or any stories in YouTube. So here I am going to tell you how to make a story, audio stories without any face, your voice. Yes. First of all, we need only one Android mobile and one software application only. So first you go, take your mobile Android mobile phone and you have to change one settings to your mobile phone. Just use search settings to text to speech settings. So this is one. Just you type. After second you can see text to speech setting. Just click. After text to speech settings, so here you can see four method. First, language you can choose what you want: United Kingdom, United States, English India. So just I use English India. And speech rates also, so you can adjust to this your video or audio speed also control. And pitch means your voice you want. If you want girl child voice or woman voice, men voice, you can use to adjust. So here I adjust. So just play.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So you can choose and just I change.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
You can change this difference.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So if you want male voice, just use.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So here you can choose.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And you can choose this speed also.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So
this is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So
this is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So just I customize my word kind.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So just I.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Okay, this is enough for me. So just you have to change this one first, and you go to the Play Store and just you download T2S. Yes, this already I downloaded, and just I open. So if you open first time, you can see like this kind of window. So you can choose what kind of story you want to make audio. You have to convert to audio file. So just you copy your content and here you can paste. So already I copy from YouTube, from Google. So just I paste here. So after you can see the bottom green color button also. So when you are paste or make words in this place, your audio also ready.
Secrets of Success 1. Sleepless. This is one of the best investments you can make to make your life more productive and rewarding. Most people do not need more than 6 hours to maintain an excellent state of health. Try getting up 1 hour earlier for 21 days and it will develop into a powerful habit.
So you
Once
can
a week or
so you can make audio like this, and here you can go settings and you can customize your voice speed also here. So this is 2. So already I customized my video. So after you get audio, export this. So here you can see 3 dot also. Just export as a audio file and just click mp3 format. So you can show this quality. So just you adjust your quality and save. After open the window in your storage, which type of name you want to write your content. Just www, just I save. After exporting audio to your mobile, so just you google
தோற்றத்தில் கடினம் ஆனால் வசதியானது டி-ஷர்ட்கள் ஷர்ட்கள்
first you can choose your content and copy to paste here. After you can make audio your content. When this complete, just you back, and already I done this before. So just I show you my okay. I just open audio music player, and if I just this is I did one audio.
Secrets of Success 1:1. Sleep less. This is one of the best investments you can make to make your life more productive and rewarding. Most people do not need more than 6 hours to maintain an excellent state of health. Try getting up 1 hour.
So you can see we got audio from my content. So after just you want to make a video like as this audio too. So just use KineMaster anything. After you can upload your audio to your YouTube channel. So this way too you can make video, audio, anything very quickly. So I think if you like this video, please subscribe and support me. Thank you for watching. I will see you after video. Thank you.